Hi, and welcome to 470 Collingwood. This unit that we're going to be touring comes with shared laundry in the building, and it also comes with 2-car tandem parking. Okay, so let's take a look at this unit. This is unit number 1, and you walk in. It's been beautifully turned over. You have a full bathroom over here to the left. There is a bathtub and shower combination tucked away behind this door. There's also a nice bathroom fan that sucks up all the moisture. Okay, so straight ahead is a living room, dining room, and kitchen. Here is the bedroom. This is a large bedroom located off the street, so it is very quiet. Even the living room facing the street is quiet. Here's a peek out the window here. You have good sized closets. Here is one closet. So you have a double bar. And right over here, you have a second closet. This goes all the way back. Good amounts of closet space. Here you have a huge walk-in closet with custom shelving and additional bars. Okay, so now for the living room. This is a beautiful space, hardwood floors throughout, lots of windows, tons of morning sun. It is somewhat open to the dining area, and there's a fireplace as well. And this is a perfect area for a home office for those of you who are still working from home. Dining area and a beautiful kitchen. You have a range, dishwasher, refrigerator, microwave, stone counters, lots of cabinet and counter space. And here's the breakfast area, and you have direct access to a lovely patio, which we will step out onto momentarily. If you're interested in this amazing space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.